Welcome back to another Pro Tips video. We are looking at Windows, and today in this episode I'm going to discuss keeping it secure. Alright, so let's talk about Windows security. Keeping your computer secure and safe from threats, be it viruses, ransomware, or malicious attacks. Let's jump right in. There we go. So how does attacks work from a malicious counterpart? So whenever I'm on a new network, what I automatically do is I scan the IP range to see which devices are there. Periodically do it on my own network to see what's going on. Right, so now we can see there's a couple of devices on my network. There's their IPs and their MAC addresses and host names if made available. Great. So what would be done with this information, right? What you then do, or an attacker would do, is you take the IP of the computer or device, and I'm going to copy the IP address, and you use an application like Nmap, and you paste it in there. This is called ZenMap. It's just a Windows version of Nmap, and you scan that device. I just want to show you the amount of information that comes through just by this very low-level basic type of scanning, right? Here we can see all of the different open ports. Port 22 is open on this device, port 53, this port, that port, that port. This is a problem and needs to be addressed. I know from this being my network that this is my MikroTik, and from this device these ports are only available on the internal network. That's why we are seeing that they are open. If we did the scan externally, it would have been different. So how do you keep your computer safe? Close unnecessary ports. If you have to do it on your router, do it on your router. If you can do it on your Windows machine, do it on your Windows machine. But close up all the holes in your perimeter. With a Windows machine, I strongly suggest that you enable Windows Firewall. I'm just quickly opening up my firewall settings without showing my identifiable information. So let's go to Windows Firewall. There we go. So keep your firewall switched on and do not open unnecessary ports on it. What do I mean with open unnecessary ports? I mean, in here you can see allow an app or feature through a Windows Defender firewall. This is all the open ports and allowed services. So as you can see, Xbox has a lot of services that it's allowing and opening up. There's a lot of things. So do not open up ports which should not or need not be open. That's the first thing in keeping your computer safe. Let's discuss antivirus. What is the best way? Do you need an advanced antivirus package? In my opinion, no, you do not. Windows Defender Firewall is good enough to keep you safe, in my opinion. I'm just trying to get my stuffs quick. Where's the security and maintenance? Let's go there. So security, Windows Firewall is on. Virus protection, let's go there. The normal built-in Windows Firewall is good enough. It works. It does not allow malicious things to get through. The paid versions of firewalls and all that usually just adds a couple of benefits like web page scanning and stuff like that, which is a nuisance in a lot of instances, in my opinion. But if you're on a corporate network, yes, maybe then use the corporate package that should be available to you. Let's quickly see what it did here. I'll scan from earlier on. There you can see, aha, there it even realized that this is a MikroTik device. Right? How intense is that? And it's just by doing a scan. Interesting, right? So keep those ports closed up. What else can you do to protect yourself? Well, do have the formatting like I showed in a previous video of having your files in a separate storage location than your C drive. In the other video I said best you create a storage drive with the drive letter A, as malware and ransomware usually skips drive A. Keep your files on there and your programs and your windows separate. What else can you do? Keep your windows updated. Always update your windows, and that includes automatically the Defender virus patching and updates. Keep it updated. Extremely important. It patches and blocks newly discovered vulnerabilities. Keep it updated. What else can you do? Watch out for phishing attempts, phishing emails, phishing scams. Be wary if you receive an email and you did not expect it, scrutinize it. Make sure that you check from who it is. Make sure on their domain. I will do another video on phishing and those types of attacks. What else? Do not connect to public Wi-Fi. If you have to connect to public Wi-Fi, be very careful and do not do online transactions. Yeah, that is the basics of keeping yourself safe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.